Once we get our fill panels on, be ready to measure our rake. We're going to measure from the profile, not the edge, but the profile. We'll go ahead and measure into that 2x2, get that measurement. Once we get that measurement, write it down on my list, and then continue measuring up to the top of the roof, writing those down in order to be cut and bent. Now make sure when we're measuring into that 2x2, we minus a 1/4 inch, that way we don't fight ourselves on the install. All right, we're ready to cut our rake panels. We'll go ahead and take our list that we got from up on the roof. Going to go find our profile that we measured from up on the roof, and then we're going to go ahead and mark our bend line. Then we can take a 2x2, put it on that bend line, and go ahead and mark my cut line. Then I can take it to the cutter. Take it to the bender. Hold that up for our rake. And once I get that bent, we can go ahead and put that in our pile that will be in order. And once we're all done with that pile, hand it up to the roof and ready for install. Alright, so once we get our bent up on the roof, it'll be in order from ridge to knee. We can go ahead and start installing our panels. Making sure that my bend's at least even with my 2x2. If it's a little long, we can just fold it over with a mallet. Go ahead and tack that top one in. And we can start pulling off of our pile and working our way down to the knee. Then we can come back and fasten.